We're back in Calhoun. We didn't really film much last week because we were just doing more of the internal wall cladding. It was much the same. Didn't think it's kind of hard to make a more interesting video than the last one. So today, Huge is just setting up this scaffold so we can start looking at bricking up this opening. And we've also got the roof sheets for this roof, which we're going to jump onto first. We'll get that on, then we'll dive back onto the bricking up this opening. So let's get on with it. So the first thing I'm doing on this roof is fitting these wafer head screws down through the counterbat, just to pull everything a lot tighter onto the rafters, because it's just nailed on to now. Because of a wee bit of compression with this wood fibre, I just want to make sure everything's nice and sturdy. So we'll crack on with that first. Then I'm going to get this lead board in before we maybe cut the raggle, so that we don't have all the dust and that going all over the tin. So that's this board. We call this a lead board. So it's a 4x4". It just acts as an upstand. So the lead's on top of the roof sheet, comes up there, goes in 20mm into a wee checkout. We're going to take along there a raggle, and then the lime render will come down and finish on top of the lead. So any of the water that comes down doesn't go underneath and then into the room. Bit like, I'll try and zoom in up there. It's not as big an upstand on there because of the chimney head, but yeah, you've got that upstand. So now that that's on, there will actually be another upstand here. This wall is going to get built up higher, but I'm going to do that once I get the first rafter on, so I know what height to build to. So we're kind of ready now. Start setting roof sheets on this roof. So much easier on brick this. See when you're trying to do it on stone. Fucking nightmare. Right, time to stick these sheets on. It's going to work from this side, and what we'll do is overhang it flush with the brick wall, because there's a corner piece going on that will cover the join. So we'll lay it up now, get it all laid out nicely, and then work our way along. First sheet on, nice and straight with outside wall, plenty of clearance to get into the gutter, and nice and tight up to the lead board. So Huge is just going to go and cut a couple more, fire these on, fix them all in. Right, so that's another stage of this roof complete. Roof sheets are all on, all screwed up, lead board on, rag all cut out. So we could start fitting the lead along here, just leave that very last bit till this new masonry kind of, don't know what you call that, parapet is built. This side's fine. See on this verge, I've still got some of the damaged wall head needs built up, so those bricks will get built up right up to the underside of the roof sheets. And then there's a corner flashing going on there, which we haven't got because we might have to get a bigger one because of the new fascia detail. On this side of the roof, as I said, this, you'll see better from here, this wall is going to continue up somewhere up here and follow down, because this new roof on this extension is at a different pitch and dimension to this one, so it's starting somewhere up here, shooting right down and out. So what I'll do is, in the short term, I'll build it up just above this roof till I get this. I think we're going to do this next actually, is put this kind of wall plate on so we know what we're working to, and also start filling in this opening. Lots of open-ended jobs right now. Well, we've been out doing the roof, plumber's been in here cracking on. He's got most of his first fix done in this bathroom. He just needs, he didn't have the concealed cistern, he's got a wee frame to build in here, concealed cistern, and once he knows for definite he'll make his connections there. Bath going here, basin going there, but he's got all this area, we can start cladding this, so first wet day we'll come back inside from doing the outside roofs and framing, we'll crack on with this. Probably as far as we're going to go with this roof now. The temperatures are kind of zero, sub-zero this for the remainder of the week, so we're not going to get this opening bricked up this week or filling in the top of these wall heads and extending this wall up. So we'll leave this roof here for now. Thanks for watching the video, catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.